Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create vlogs using AI. So go to Google Labs and go to Wisk, enter your image here. And I'm just going to add this prompt. If you want the prompt, I will put the link in the description box. Sorry, the prompt in the description box or in the comment section. I think I might put it in the comment section for this. And I'm just going to save the image. Go to Google Flow, and I am going to add this video prompt. I will again put the prompt link, and let me grab the picture, crop and save. Hopefully it uploads. Okay, there we go. And then I'm just going to select generate, and this is what it should look like at the end.
Hey guys, I'm in the Amazon rainforest. Let's explore and see what it's like.
And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.